You are about to embark on a journey where nature is the true star, raging storms, the ground trembling with every beat, and the sky transforming into surreal colors. But that's not all. Rare stories of people facing challenges will also leave you amazed. Every moment is so vivid, you can hardly look away. Join us on this journey and hit like if you enjoy this video. A whirlwind sweeps across a Colorado high school courtyard, lifting dust and debris into the air. Such sudden phenomena show the power of local winds. A ferocious hailstorm had just pounded the ground, leaving a white blanket of frozen stones. Cars and a powerful lightning bolt strikes near a house, hurling dirt and startling residents with its piercing sound. A fire whirl is a rare phenomenon formed when heat from a blaze combines with swirling winds, creating a rotating column of fire. A massive wildfire, described as apocalyptic, destroyed a small village in Gironde, leaving behind ashes and devastation. The stumble matched perfectly with the music playing. It's as if the universe choreographed it. Should we laugh or feel bad? New volcanic activity sent glowing lava flowing down Mount Etna, creating a spectacular scene in Sicily. Aerial footage captured the massive scale of a raging wildfire, showing the vast area affected. From afar, they looked like giant straws stuck in the desert, except no one would dare take a sip from them. North Texas often experiences violent spring and summer storms with lightning strikes visible from miles away. A breathtaking and meaningful sight. Marvel isn't just playing, it's learning how to become a true giant of the ocean. Layers of ice stacked together, creating eerie singing sounds along the shore of Lake Superior. Look at this dog, it's like nature gave it a free bubble party. A beloved lizard in Houston returned to exhibition after successfully recovering from a rare form of cancer. Echidnas are one of only two egg-laying mammals called monotremes. They use their snouts to dig for ants and termites. During Storm Ophelia, massive waves crashed over seawalls, drenching those who stood too close. Thousands of starlings turned the Oregon sky into a living painting with their mesmerizing, synchronized flight. You don't often see a collie and a crow this close. This rare bond shows animals can form unexpected friendships. Kaufman County, east of Dallas, often faces fierce summer storms where lightning spectacularly lights up the night sky. A brilliant aurora lit up the North Dakota sky, giving residents a rare chance to witness its beauty. Winter storms in the Midwest produce strong winds that stir waves across the Great Lakes, crashing hard into Michigan's shores. As Hurricane Teddy approached, Bermuda's coastline was pounded by powerful waves crashing continuously ashore. The ground trembled. Ceiling lights in the office swung like pendulums, creating a tense atmosphere. Employees held their breath, waiting to see how long this. A volcanic eruption hurled lava 200 feet into the air during the 11th episode of the current eruption. Aerial footage of a fierce wildfire forced an entire town to evacuate, highlighting the scale and severity of the danger. Krakow's storm severely damaged roads, making travel extremely dangerous. If you're in the area, be very cautious.
Hurry!
How could he park here? Many people don't feel safe. Maybe it's collapsing. Cars caught in a landslide. This video reminds us to always find safe parking spots to protect our property. Known for their intelligence, dolphins often perform graceful jumps and spins while traveling in pods. Dolphins at Carmel Bay, California, where a huge pod was spotted and filmed by drone.
Yeah, no, I'm open to anything.
In Alabama, floodwaters created a whirlpool in a parking lot, leaving witnesses stunned. Every spring, more than 500,000 sandhill cranes stop in Nebraska along the Platte River during their long migration north. This is a brand new car, the red ribbon still on it, but unfortunately for him, Nature is so magical, I almost thought this was a scene from a familiar movie. Watch this video and stay safe on your journey. The complete collapse of a high-rise building. Do you think it was because the foundation wasn't solid enough? On June 10th, a house collapsed and fell into the Bac Giang River in Truong Lai, Don Tan, and village Liu Chao. When a wildfire erupted near a highway, thick smoke reduced visibility and posed a hazard to drivers. Police worked to rescue horses trapped in rising rivers after heavy rainfall in the area. Looks like a movie set, but it's real Kathmandu from above, scarred after a devastating earthquake. How big would a fridge have to be to pump out this much cold air? In northern India, a jeep was swept away in moments by floodwaters, showing the brutality of natural disasters. On the coast of Australia, a lost seal made its way back to the sea from the suburbs, capturing hearts along the journey. A stand-up paddleboarder had an incredible close encounter with a humpback whale mother and calf, creating an unforgettable moment.
Yeah, boy. Only one out.
It looks like a surfer, but this seal is simply enjoying the ocean in its own natural way. A dramatic mix of light and raw natural power. Have you ever witnessed a sight like that? During tremors, the safest action is to quickly leave tall buildings like in Puerto Ordaz. After a devastating avalanche in northern Utah, the road was finally cleared, bringing hope to those once. Ferocious waves crashed over Nolichucky Dam in Tennessee. What do you think of this raw display of... Hail is actually raindrops frozen when pulled into the cold upper atmosphere inside storm clouds, forming layers of ice. Who needs cinematic effects when thousands of snow geese can turn the sky into a living cloud? It's like Melbourne is playing dodgeball with the sky-bouncing hail turned streets into an icy playground. As if nature is reminding us, don't forget me, lightning struck while a tornado stole the spotlight. Laramie, Wyoming has seen many twisters, but one ripping through a backyard like this is rare and dangerous. Even in its rage, nature carries a strange beauty. Its mystery leaves everyone silent in awe. In Covington, Georgia, residents were stunned to see a huge funnel cloud looming, raising safety concerns. In Covington, Georgia, residents were stunned to see a huge funnel cloud looming, raising safety concerns. A moment straight out of a superhero movie, but it's nature showing off the immense power of storms. Researchers recorded dolphins guiding a lost whale mother and calf, proving interspecies cooperation can happen in the wild.
Wow.
Storms in Louisiana often bring strong winds which can knock out power by throwing debris into power lines.
That is insane.
A massive lightning bolt split the sky over Madeira, Florida, illuminating the sea in an explosion of fierce, almost unbelievable. Canada frequently faces severe winter ice storms, often causing widespread power outages that affect hundreds of thousands. New Orleans, due to its coastal position, often sees waterspouts during powerful storms from the Gulf of Mexico.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Florida Panhandle often experiences funnel clouds and tornadoes during severe spring and summer storms.
Oh my God, y'all. This is...
South Carolina regularly faces summer storms, and lightning is one of the top weather hazards in the state. They may look slow, but crocodiles can move lightning fast when they want a perfect reminder never to get too close.
Oh, it's so
A
hot.
family was forced to leave their home
This mu-
when wildfires swept through, destroying the entire property.
Come on, chicken!
A couple had to pull over as a fierce wildfire spread dangerously close to the road in Idaho.
Oh my gosh, that's a fire tornado.
Seemingly solid cliffs can hide unexpected dangers. Always keep a safe distance when moving near such areas.
I'm not even kidding. What in the actual? I'm on an African safari in the garbage.
The Tamarack Fire spread across more than 58,000 acres, showing the dangerous mix of strong winds, heat, and dry vegetation. This sudden incident was a powerful reminder of the hidden dangers of the extreme polar environment. When a wildfire grows beyond 10,000 acres, evacuation is no longer just a recommendation, it's a life-saving measure. Typhoon Shanshan brought torrential rain and fierce winds to Japan, generating massive waves and widespread flooding. Looks like a storm-chasing movie, but its real live stream caught nature in action. Tropical storm. Debbie's fierce winds and torrential rains paralyzed southwest Florida, leaving the region in devastating ruin. Though it lasted only seconds, the tornado ripped through everything in its path, leaving lingering fear and anxiety. In wildlife reserves, simple errands like shopping can suddenly mean face-to-face encounters with wild animals. Time-lapse footage clearly showed how a massive tornado formed and evolved, helping meteorologists study its patterns. In Kerala, a group of elephants created chaos on the road, halting traffic until they moved on. It looks like a disaster film, but it's real. Amory, Mississippi was devastated by a powerful tornado, a stark reminder of nature's uncontrollable force. Beautiful, like a slow-motion shot, but in reality, a sharp reminder that nature can shift moods in an instant. In the Amazon, conservationists built canopy bridges, quickly adopted and used daily by local monkeys. Tornadoes in Kansas often form when warm southern air meets cold northern currents, creating ideal conditions for giant twisters. A swirling tornado was captured from afar, appearing calm from a distance, though it was extremely dangerous inside. A driver narrowly escaped death when lightning struck a tree right beside his car, exploding it in a flash. On a Florida beach, waders were shocked to witness sharks and rays clashing just meters from shore. A massive fire erupted at an oil depot in Saratov, Russia, forcing firefighters to battle fiercely to contain the blaze. The 2022 wildfire season was deemed devastating, underscoring climate change's impact as prolonged drought hit Europe. A diver was amazed as a dolphin performed joyful dance moves right before his eyes. A strong earthquake frightened everyone nearby. The safest move is to lie flat on the ground, or if indoors, find a sturdy shelter. A wildfire continued spreading toward residential areas in South Carolina, leaving many families worried and preparing to evacuate. As wildfires approached a power station, the risk of large-scale outages and serious accidents grew, showing the importance of wildfire safety zones. During Storm Ophelia, massive waves crashed over seawalls, drenching those who stood too close. Forget birthday candles. This guy lit a smoke bomb big enough to cover an entire block. When wildebeest call it a pool party, it means thousands plunging into the water all at once. This isn't a new car wash service, it's floodwaters in Brazil offering a free rinse. Seals often rest and sunbathe on shore, but boat noise or human presence can cause them to flee quickly. Murmuration happens when thousands of starlings fly in synchronized patterns, believed to protect them from predators. In Mexico, heavy rains from Hurricane Lorena caused severe flooding, disrupting life and threatening local communities. When electrical boxes short-circuit sparks can ignite fires quickly, especially dangerous in densely populated areas. The car owner is scratching his head, not understanding why the car keeps bouncing. The army was deployed to help extinguish rapidly spreading wildfires in southern Spain. Crows are among the smartest birds, capable of mimicking sounds, solving problems, and even playing ball. Looks like an action scene in a movie, but in reality, it's a reminder to always stay alert and cautious near ferry docks. Looks like an action scene in a movie, but in reality, it's a reminder to always stay alert and cautious near ferry docks. Time-lapse footage clearly showed how a massive tornado formed and evolved, helping meteorologists study its patterns. In Kerala, a group of elephants created chaos on the road, halting traffic until they moved on. It looks like a disaster film, but it's real. Amory, Mississippi was devastated by a powerful tornado, a stark reminder of nature's uncontrollable force. They may look slow, but crocodiles can move lightning fast when they want a perfect reminder never to get too close.
Oh, it's so
A
hot.
family was forced to leave their home
It's hot.
when wildfires swept through, destroying the entire property.
Come on, dig in!
A couple had to pull over as a fierce wildfire spread dangerously close to the road in Idaho.
Oh my gosh, it's a fire tornado.
Seemingly solid cliffs can hide unexpected dangers. Always keep a safe distance when moving near such areas.
I'm not even kidding. What is the actual... I'm on an African safari in a garbage.
During Storm Ophelia, massive waves crashed over seawalls, drenching those who stood too close.